I want to show you how easy the paneling job is. It's quite popular now to have it at the backboard of the bedroom, and I'm approached quite often now to do it, and I think it's so easy and it's effective. It makes the room really pretty, but also it's a very straightforward job. So what I do is I go to B&Q, I buy 6mm or 9mm MDF, I cut it in the shop because it's for free and it really speeds up the job. There's really no hassle with cutting, inside your job, inside clients' homes or in the front of it. Like now it's raining, you see, so you can't really cut. So I go B&Q, I ask to cut it whatever we decide with my clients, 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 10, whatever. I've asked for 9. I said, sir, can you cut 90mm strips, full length, 244? And that's it. He's cutting it. I'm bringing it home. Before that, I do a little try. So I do draw actually on the wall how it's gonna look, to visually see. Okay, this feels good. Let's go for it. And for example, I've done 6 panels, and it wasn't that great because it's been hitting the switches and sockets. So when I spread them into 5 panels, it seems good. It's all in the middle. So, and it looks good. So there you go. Very straightforward job. 6mm MDF glued, not even pinned on any nails, because this glue is just magnificent, It just holds everything. And that's what I use. So there's no holes, nothing to fill in, besides joints. When you join the panel together, I like to fill it and sand it because it does show later. And with filler, it seems like just one piece, And then little wooden strip or dado rail from B&Q. And what else? I normally try to leave this as a plain wall because this is a quite smooth, newly plastered room. So when I paint this and this inside in one color, it will look like one full piece. So that's pretty much how you do paneling. It really took half a day and then another half a day, maybe more, to paint it, and job is done. Seriously, guys, it's a DIY project for you for the weekend, and you just need the saw, even hand saw, to just cut the lengths, But the strips, the full length strips, do it for free in B&Q. It's not that I'm advertising them. I just find as well for myself, I find it so much easier because it just really makes your day good at work instead of constantly thinking, it's a problem, it's a challenge. So there you go. That's how it looks. And this is how it looks when it's done. It literally was a 2 days job. Half a day to build it and another day to paint it. But I've painted entire room, which means the walls and that panel and all the woodwork, which is skirting boards all around, and frames and that pocket door. And it's been fun. It's been fun. All I could say is it's really straightforward job. And we just need those guys, the Sparkies, to come and finish the paneling completely so it looks gorgeous. But my part is done, and all I could say is literally you can do it yourself, and go for it. It's a straightforward job, it's fun. That's it. Room looks beautiful. It's actually great colors as well, but that's thanks to my clients. I leave always the colors, is never my choice. But job done. I hope you like this. Cheers, guys.